Hey, Scott, and I'm back here to show you the 2024 Yamaha AR220. This is their 22-foot bowrider, twin engine with included tandem axle trailer and water sports tower. Beautiful full hull color blue. That just looks phenomenal on the water. We'll give you guys a good wraparound video shoot, and then we'll hop inside and show you all the features that this boat has to offer. One of the most famous things that Yamaha boats are known for, besides their reliability and functionality, is check out this transom seating area. Great place to lounge while you got the boat anchored off or on the beach with your friends and family. Bow rests, cup holders, freshwater engine flush, ladder. Let me climb inside here and show you the rest. Take a look at the transom walkthrough. Removable cockpit table. Huge wraparound seating. I mean, this is a ginormous 22-foot boat. Tons of value for the money. Dedicated spot for the cooler. Snap-in woven vinyl flooring. Nice dash with digital display. Stereo controls located right there as well. Nice captain's seat with flip-up bolster. Tons of storage in there for all your beach bags from your friends and family. And again, check out that wraparound seating all the way around this boat. Let's go up to the bow. Nice center walk-through bow with dedicated ski locker storage. As you can see, we got the bow cushions in right now to give you a huge playpen area. Wraparound bolstering as well. Dedicated anchor and bow ladder storage. So much room, so many standard features, so much to offer, so much value. Really want you to come by and check out all the Yamaha boats we have to offer here at MarineMax in Greenville. We got some of the best stock in the state of South Carolina. Thank you guys so much for letting me show you the boat today.